blades. Look pretty cool. We have the launcher, the ripcord. Pretty cool. So at the back, you can see how to put the launcher and the blade together. And we got the collector's items that you can collect if you have them already. Good. So we have extreme metal attacks. So I think they're just gonna fly the stadium. We don't know. We're gonna check that out. So the interesting part is that they have these long drivers. Like unlike the other attack types, they're pretty long on both of them. So I don't know how they will perform in the stadium. We're gonna see them. Super excited to unbox this. Let's get right into this now. There you go. There we go. I'll just cut this top part. There. No, the bottom one's easy. Yeah. Oh, it opened. Finally opened. There we go. Okay, let's take this out of here. Get this out. We don't need that. I'm just gonna take this open. Ah! Wow! And then we got this paper. Let's take that out. Got the paper, you don't need that. We got the ripcord. Maybe I'll take that out later. Yeah, there you go. We got the blade. I'm getting out the blade. Take that out of here. Nice. Take this part out. Well, there you go. Take this out now. Oh, the launcher is pretty nice. Let's take out the blade. I'm super excited to see the blade. Pretty cool. See that? Is this rubber? No, it's metal. See that? See that yellow, white, black, green, long tip? Looks pretty cool. And we also got the golden one. We'll see how that works. The ripcord, let me just, there's a bit plastic part. Take that out. There you go. Now this part also that'll come from the bottom again. And it was. Did it. Oops. Okay, a bit more. Let's get this out of here. Okay, so I'm finally in here now. This part. It's pretty hard. Yeah, it's so cool. We got the launcher again. Oh baby, I like the golden one. See that? Okay, let's put this away for a moment. Okay, we got the ripcord. There we go. The blue ripcord belongs to this one, and the orange and the yellow. So here are blades. We got this black, yellow, greenish, with the golden, red, yellow. Okay, so it's pretty simple to put the launchers. So to put the launchers, it's like you can see this hole. You just put that ripcord in like that. After that, it's actually pretty obvious. Like the blue ripcord is this one's, and the yellow one's the golden one. So yes. And how to put this together is, you can see these blue pieces here. The blue pieces are in these gaps. See, in these little gaps they're made. So those blue pieces go in there, and the whites are in the outline like that. You just do like that. There we go. And you just twist it once. Okay, so you just then launch. So let's do some test launches. So I'm going to do one with this and one with this. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. It's actually pretty nice. Going smooth. I thought it's just gonna attack continuously, but it's steady in the middle. It's like extreme defense, not attacks. Anyways, It was pretty cool. Okay. So, we got the golden one now. Let's put this on to the side. It looks pretty cool. Let's see how it's gonna perform. I think it's gonna stay in the middle again. Pretty sure. You just do that, then do that. There you go. Pretty small launchers. Nice. Okay, just do that again as I told you. There. One click and let it rip. There we go. Looks pretty smooth. Nice. Very nice. Wow. Going pretty smooth on the, driving. So I'm gonna put this together now. Cool. And now let's do 2 battles. I think 2 battles, okay. So let's see how these blades go head to head against each other. So let's bring the stadium. I already put the launches together. There you go. There's the stadium. Let's put the golden one first. It's super cool. That's why. I'll just do that. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Let it. Okay, the second one. Got 3, 2, 1. Let it. Wow. Ah, that was a big hit. Ah. Those are getting some big hits. These are the best battles I've ever seen, but they don't burst. These don't burst like Wyvern. Oh. It just won. It just destroyed this one. I don't know even the name. Anyways, let's put this back together. Let's do one last battle and then I think I'm ready. Okay, so let's do this. This time again, I'm going to put the golden together. You saw how it goes. So, yeah. There you go. 3, 2, 1, let it. Do that. 3, 2, 1, let it. Wow. Well, I think it's gonna be a big hit. No, small hits. Small hits. Oh, a bit big hit than usual. Ah, this will stop wobbling. Stop the wobbling, Spirit. I think that's a strategy. What? No, that's not a strategy. Lost on stamina again. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I'm glad if you enjoyed this video. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you'll not miss a single video. So, bye everybody. See you in the next video.